Yo, in this video, we're gonna be taking a ride. Scenic Highway 17 from US 27, right outside of Avon Park, Bahrain City. It was a great day for a ride. We're gonna go through a couple of small towns. I hope you enjoy the video. If you haven't yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See in these areas, or you will notice in the video, it's going to be a lot of orange groves. Or the natural, baby. Gotta get that orange juice in your system. Condition of these roads pretty great, since I guess not a lot of traffic travels them, just moving from town to town back here, and the truck drivers will sometimes use it. All in all, on the right there, a little bit of traffic, wind in your face, just ride. History dating back to the 1800s. Whenever you want to ride and you do have the time, it's always wise to stop and ask a local and learn something about the places you ride through. You would be surprised at what you could learn. Sometimes you just gotta take a back road. Get away from the highways, speeding, slow down, enjoy the ride, enjoy the road, clear your mind, and enjoy the peace. They say time flies when you're having fun, but it really just slows down because you're feeling free, enjoying the simple things in life, the air, the road, creating memories that could last a lifetime. And with this, our ride is coming to an end. Just remember, it doesn't matter what you ride, as long as you're down to ride.